Welcome to another quick permagrow video on growing salad greens. This one is slightly different than the last one. It's more for like the cutting lettuce that you would use in your salads as a base, and then you add those other mixed greens on top. But again, you just put the false bottom in the coconut coir pad and then fill it up with potting mix. This time I'm going to fill it a little bit further because I'm going to use pelleted seeds that you don't need quite as much top dressing on top of those as with the other type of lettuce. They seem to grow and leaf out pretty well right at the surface. So anyway, fill it up with your potting mix. And again, I'm going to use a second pan to lightly tamp it. So this time I'm using pelleted seeds. These are also from Johnny's Select Seeds, and there's a red and green leaf lettuce in here. And these ones I really like because it's a lot easier to handle the seed. So I was using a soil blocker to plant these, but then I realized that it wasn't really saving me any space under my lights. It's just a slightly deeper pan to go ahead and direct seed. So I got 9 of them there. And with these ones, I just kind of poke the seed down a little bit. And then I'll oops, missed one. I'll still go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more soil on there. And then I'm going to tamp it again and then just water them in. And that's all there is to that one. It's super quick and easy to grow your own salad greens, and there's really no excuse not to do it. If you can find a little bit of counter space, you can grow a lot healthier, a lot more nutritious food than you can buy at the grocery store. And that one is going to look like this in a couple weeks. You can see I have a couple different varieties of red leaf lettuce. There's a green leaf lettuce. There's a kale that I saved for my recycle. This is some Japanese shiso that I stuck in there. There's another little red leaf coming up over here, and then another red and green. Every once in a while, one of these seeds planted this way won't germinate, and so you'll have a blank space in your pan, but go ahead and just stick something else in there. That's all there is to it.